IELTS Listening, Map and Diagram Questions, Tips and Tricks. Hey everyone! Are map or diagram questions in the IELTS listening test stressing you out? Don't worry, you're not alone, and I'm here to help. In this video, I'll share proven strategies to ace these tricky questions and boost your score. Let's get started. Familiarize yourself with the map or diagram. First up, familiarize yourself with the map or diagram before the audio begins. Look for key features like landmarks, pathways, and buildings. Note directions such as north, south, east, and west. Pay attention to labels and symbols. They'll be your guide during the listening section. This pre-reading step gives you a head start when the speaker begins describing the layout. Listen for directional language. Directional language is your best friend here. Listen for cues like next to the left of, opposite, or adjacent to. These words are like breadcrumbs that lead you to the correct answer. As you hear them, mark the directions on your map. It'll help you stay on track. Follow along with the speaker. Here's a pro tip. Always follow along with the speaker using your pen or finger. This keeps you focused and ensures you're tracking the right location. Think of it as a real-time guide. Visualizing as you listen will prevent you from getting lost in the audio. Take effective notes. Taking notes is a lifesaver. Jot down key names, locations, or features the speaker mentions. Keep it short and sweet, just enough to jog your memory when answering. These quick notes can be your safety net if you need to double-check anything. Focus on the big picture. While details are important, don't lose sight of the big picture. Understand how different elements on the map are connected. This is especially useful for questions about the general layout or relationships between locations. Label your answers correctly. When it's time to answer, make sure your labels are spot on. Double-check that what you've marked matches the question's requirements. Simple errors in labeling can cost you marks, so take a moment to get it right. Review your work. If you have time, review your answers. Look for unclear labels or small mistakes. This final check can make all the difference in securing those extra marks. Pro tips for success. Now, let's talk pro tips to up your game. Practice makes perfect. Use practice tests to get comfortable with different maps and diagrams. Learn common vocabulary. Words like intersection, roundabout, and adjacent pop up often. Know them well. Stay calm. If you miss a point, don't panic. Refocus and keep going. You've got this. That's it for today's guide to solving map or diagram questions in the IELTS listening test. With these strategies and consistent practice, you'll be ready to tackle these questions like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more IELTS tips. For official IELTS practice tests, visit our website at www.ieltsworldly.com. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your IELTS preparation. Stay confident, practice hard, and ace your IELTS.